Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Target API 26 or higher and request the overlay permission so your UI can sit above apps. Next, create a foreground service to host the dynamic island overlay. That keeps it alive and trusted by the system. Then design a compact rounded layout that matches the device notch or desired island size. Once done, inflate that layout inside the service so you can attach it via Window Manager immediately. Attach the view using Window Manager. Layout params with type application, overlay, and appropriate flags so it doesn't steal input. Then wire event sources, media session for playback, notification listener for status, telephony for calls, and connectivity for live activity data. This lets you show relevant content. Animate transitions with Value Animator and modify layout params on the UI thread to move or resize the island smoothly. Make sure to throttle complete by properly managing lifecycle. Register listeners when the service starts and unregister on stop, and stop the foreground service when the feature is disabled. Test across devices and apply window insets or cutout APIs so the island avoids system insets and looks native. Optimize redraws and memory use. If the overlay does not appear, make sure the user granted display over other apps and that you use type application overlay for newer SDKs. Granting the permission usually resolves most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.